So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. Till now we have been using a lot of different AIs for various different purposes like creating images or some text generation or writing or like using ChatGPT to create a script. But if you don't know, there's also an AI that can like help you to convert your text into top quality audio. Yes, guys, and the name of that AI is ElevenLabs.io. And now, if you have followed our tutorials in the past, I had also created a video about those viral reels that you have seen on Instagram, where there's this AI character that is speaking in Hindi or English, that whatever language that you prefer to watch, and that audio is done using ElevenLabs. But nowadays, if you see, ElevenLabs is facing an issue that where if you try to generate an audio for yourself, you will not be able to do, because there it will say unusual activity detected problem. So it will not allow you to generate the audio for your given text. So today I'm going to tell you a solution or a fix about it. So it's totally working, but it is just working on PC right now. We'll also try that if in future we can make it for the phones too. But I just want you to know before starting the video that if you are interested in these kinds of AI tools, we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees. So if you want to check that out, the link is in the description and more details are there ahead in the video.
Hey Aditya, I'm working in this office since the last 5 years and you just recently joined and you have a salary 5 times as me. How is that possible, man?
It is because I'm using AI tools and ChatGPT to automate my work, and I'm working 10 times as compared to you. That's why I'm getting paid 5 times as compared to you.
That is super, man. Can you please teach me the same so that I can grow my salary as well?
Absolutely, I can.
And let's continue the video. So let's go on ElevenLabs.io, and there if you don't have an account you can simply sign up, and now there's this option where it says sign up with Google. But today I'm going to tell you about this, that don't try to sign up with Google, because nowadays if you see there are a lot of AIs and everybody is trying to get your data. So the moment you try to sign up into this, you will be having a lot of mails coming from the website, and I believe that you don't want to create your mail Gmail ID as a spam thing. So we can use the options that are available in the market that are like creating a temporary mail. So you can just write Gmailinator and there we can like use the disposable email address. So we'll just quickly create an email address for us. So now if you see, it has given a mail address at the rate gmail.com. So just paste it over here and write the password that you want to write, whatever you wish for, and just click on sign up. And now if you see, it's also sent a like verification thing, and if you think it will not come, just click on reload, and you see the mail has also arrived on the website. So the mail has also arrived on the Gmail. So just click on verify email, and you will be into the ElevenLabs, and it will accept your account as an user. So just quickly sign in using the credentials that you have just created. And now it's time to do what ElevenLabs basically do, that is speech synthesis. That is what they call converting the text into audio. But now I have put a script that is in Hindi and English mix, and I'll just click on generate. So when I click on generate, you will see there's this note written like unusual activity detected and free trial. It's a very long note, you can pause and directly read it, and I'll also tell a solution about it. But before moving on to the solution, I just want to have a small talk with you. Nowadays you all might know that AI is taking over the world, and in just a short span of time you have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. And I believe that you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that an AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will surely. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill yourself, increase your productivity, and also enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. So let's continue the video, guys, and let us talk about the solution that we can use for it. There would be this constant error that would be present over there. You just need to simply go on VPN Gate, that is a public free VPN cloud, and you just need to find a VPN. And here I'll select this one, yeah, opengv.net, and just go on your settings on just go on your PC settings about VPN settings, and just click on add VPN. Write the connection name that you want. So you just write VPN and then write the server name or the address, paste that what you have copied, and VPN type would be SSTP, that is secure socket tunneling protocol, and just password is an optional thing, you can or you can avoid it. So just click on that. So once your VPN is connected and you see the option of there like disconnecting it, just come back to the site of ElevenLabs.io and just simply click on generate. And now if you see at the bottom, the audio is generated, like it's trying to generate for the given audio. So like it's trying to generate for the given text, and now if you see, you can simply download it and the audio is downloaded. And guys, this is how you can use ElevenLabs.io solution fix that you can use on your just PC. And there are a lot of like these VPNs that would be available on the site, but if you see, I have provided on the notepad the top 3 that would like definitely work for you. And guys, that is it for this video. So if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and also drop a comment if it doesn't work, or if it works, do tell me. And don't forget to subscribe Be10x, and do remember that we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.